Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Anaconda Prompt and selecting the exact environment you want to use, because Jupyter uses the active environments packages. Once open, run conda envlist to confirm names, then conda activate your environment. This ensures Python and libraries match. If conda reports an older version, update with conda update conda. If Jupyter isn't installed, install it with conda install Jupyter. Doing this upfront prevents kernel mismatches and missing package errors later. Once your environment is active, change into the project folder with cd path / to / project so the server starts in the right working directory. This keeps file paths predictable. Then run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. The prompt will print a local URL with a token. Your browser usually opens automatically. If it doesn't, copy the http //127 0 token equals link into the browser. This token authorizes your session. Later you can set a password or configure no browser in config for headless setups. To finish, create a new notebook from the browser and explicitly select the kernel that matches your activated conda environment. That avoids import errors. When done, save notebooks and stop the server with Ctrl+C in the Anaconda prompt and confirm shutdown. If something goes wrong, server won't start, kernel not found, or modules missing. First run conda list to verify packages, then reinstall with conda install force reinstall Jupyter or reset the Jupyter config. This resolves most environment-related faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.